estoy tratando de comer pasta picante que después puedo estar una verdad mexicana. Pero necesito trabajar más fuerte.
Teaching yoga professionally is a huge accomplishment. It's a big step to be able to really go to the next level in what you're doing. You have to do more than just teach good classes. People really come to yoga practice in search of community, and they come in search of new experiences. And so yoga retreats and day retreats and festivals is something that yoga professionals should really explore, because it's meaningful personally, and it's also just such a great way to share what you do with people in a more in-depth way.